Okay, I wanted to go over the building that I've designed for you. I did find your email asking for a steeper pitch and a larger window. So let's go through the building so you can see what I've designed, and then we can modify as needed. So the building itself is 15 wide and it's 40 feet long, and it's on a foundation. We were looking at doing either a foundation or a pier, and here's the foundation model. And I believe that a foundation model is going to be cheaper to do if you have a local concrete guy like you do there to pour the concrete. So let's go around the building and I'll show you. And I did an 812 custom pitch on the building. And the engineering tab, we changed the wind loads to 115, and it shows in the system a 43-pound ground snow load. You'll have to verify that with the county if we haven't already. And the frost depth I have at 18 inches. Right now I set it so that you can put drywall on the inside. So I changed the sidewall girt spacing to 2 feet and the end wall girt spacing to 2 feet. That way it makes it easier for you to put the drywall in. I will also show you a video that if you want to go an alternate way where you put batten inside the girts instead of changing this to a 2-foot wide girt spacing, you can do that as well. And a lot of times the drywall companies prefer to do it with the batten. And if that's the case, I can take this back up to 4 feet between the girts. Okay, and then the sheeting, we have it at PBR for the roof, 26 gauge, and classic rib, 26 gauge for the sidewalls. Right now we just have the color set at polar white and burgundy. We can change that to anything you want. We've added form closure strips to the top of the wall, the bottom of the wall, the eave of the roof, and the apex of the roof. What that does is just helps keep out the bugs. So let's take a look at the building. On the front porch, which is 10 feet wide, I have a standard sliding opening, which is 5 by 6/8. You mentioned wanting a larger window. I'm not sure if that's where you want it, but if you do, we can make that change. And then on this side, I have a standard door entrance at 3.0, 6/8, and I have 2 windows on the side at 3.0, 5.0. Everything is set to the top of the door, which is at 6 foot 8 inches. So the top of the door and top of the window should match all the way around the building. So let's look at the framing. That's your standard framing. That's your sidewall framing. And there's your roof framing. So that's this building right now. And I wanted to create this video for you so that we can go in and make some changes as needed and move forward with a preliminary plan for you as soon as possible.